welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are testing out the ColourPop Powerpuff Girls collection. I'm so excited. This eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. So in this video I'm going to show you some swatches, some comparisons and a tutorial, and of course give you a bit of a review. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So I did pick up the Bubbles bundle, so I got the super cute hair clips and the shadow stick in Princess Moorbox. This gorgeous blue. This color is extremely bright and so shimmery. I love it. I cannot wait to see how I incorporate this into my looks. I'm thinking of using this for a wing liner. I think that would look so good. Now we're going to jump into the swatches and comparisons. Look at all these beautiful swatches. The colors are absolutely stunning. For me and my personal preference of eyeshadow palettes, this is an eyeshadow palette that is much more colorful and fun than what I'm used to. So for me, this eyeshadow palette is more of a collection piece. I can't really see myself reaching for this a ton because of the shades are quite different to what my comfort zone is. So there are other palettes I'd probably reach for more. However, this palette is definitely teaching me to step out of my comfort zone with all of these different amazing colorful shades. The shadows perform fantastically. Packaging quality is fantastic. The formula is fantastic. It's just a great palette. Good morning! Look what I have. Oh my gosh, look what I have. It took over 4 weeks to get here. ColourPop, we need to talk. It's too long for me to wait. I have zero patience for that. But it is finally here and I'm so excited to play with this. The Powerpuff Girls, can you even believe it? I need to know in the comments who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is. Mine, Bubbles, of course. How could I not? So from the entire Powerpuff Girls collection, I picked up the Bubbles bundle and I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. In the Bubbles bundle, we have the hair clips. I thought these were the cutest things ever. So I was very excited to get this. And then I got one of the color sticks, which is Princess Moorbox. And I've never used any of the color sticks before. So this is my first one. They're actually really cool. I swatched this on my hand and it was so easy to use and it's so glittery. So yeah, I've never used these before, but I am excited to test it out and have it in my collection. And then of course the eyeshadow palette as well. This packaging is so cute. The whole packaging of the whole collection is absolutely incredible as always. There is just so much detail in the boxes of the packaging, even on the inside. You can see on the inside it's all of this beautiful little figures and it's just the most adorable thing. We all know I'm a box hoarder, so this is perfect for me. Moving on to the palette, it feels so weighty and heavy and really good quality. This palette is actually quite big, especially when you compare it to the Lizzie McGuire palette. They are both the 12 pans and you can see the difference. So you can see the difference there of the sizes, but they're both gorgeous palettes. I kind of like that it's a little bit bigger, a little bit chunkier. It has got little raised bumps on it and everything about it is adorable, and a giant mirror on the inside, which is very handy. So that is a quick little overview of the palettes. Let's get into the tutorial now. I have seen a lot of looks on YouTube so far using all of the colorful eyeshadows. So I thought that it would be best for me to do a more wearable look. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you want me to do looks based on Bubbles, Buttercup and Blossom, please let me know and I can do that as well. Let's go. Alright, so this is actually pretty handy because now I can keep my hair out of my eyes. So obviously we're going to be doing the eye makeup first and then the face makeup later on when the eyes are complete. So the first thing I'm going to do is just prep my eyes with some concealer. This is the ColourPop concealer. The first shade I'm going in with is Pokey Oats and it's this gorgeous, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's like this muted pink. It's really beautiful and the little imprint is a flower and I think that's so cute, perfect for Blossom. Let me zoom you in a bit more. There we go. So I just want to focus this all in my crease area. Just the whole crease area. I really want to keep this nice and simple today, nice and easy, but still really pretty. This is such a beautiful color. I love this shade so much. I don't think I've got a shade like this. I really like this. This is a friendly reminder to go clean your makeup brushes because all of mine are dirty right now and really need to clean. So friendly reminder, go clean your brushes. Okay, now I'm gonna do something a little bit risky. I'm gonna jump into the shade, the Fashionistas, and this looks so much brighter than I thought, but we're just gonna go with it. And I'm going to begin to just tap this on my outer corner. Wow, that is pink. How cool is that? Now grabbing the shade Frenemy, I'm just gonna begin to tap this. Oh wow, that's pretty. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. That is the prettiest shade and it mixes so beautifully with the pink. Okay, that is by far the most beautiful color combination I have ever seen in my life. 100%. It's almost like a duochrome shade. I don't know, it's gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna jump into the shade The Mayor and I'm gonna tap this right beside where we put Frenemy. And a little bit oh my God, and a little bit overlapping. God, these little shimmers are stunning. And then just to blend out that fallout a bit, I'm just gonna use my buffing brush to blend it in. Now we're just gonna brighten up the inner corner just a little bit. So it might be best to use my finger. Oh wow, okay, well there's a bit of fallout there, but it's fine. We'll fix that. And that is how we're looking. I think this is so beautiful and pretty. I love it. So I'm extremely happy with that. Now I'm just going to wipe away any of the fallout just on the bottom here. I do want to keep this nice and smoky. And now I'm gonna go and do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so the rest of my face makeup is done. I'm actually doing a quick review on the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation, so that will be coming soon, so keep an eye out. But now we're gonna jump into the bottom lash line. To start off the bottom lash line, I'm using the shade Crime Fighting, and I'm gonna buff this all onto the bottom lash line. Now going back in with the shade Pokey Oaks, I'm just going to begin to put this on the outer of the bottom lash line just to try and connect it with that nice little smoky bit that we have going up in here. Just gently and very lightly pressing it into the bottom lash line, but mainly focusing on the outer corner of the bottom lash line. I hope that makes sense. We just want a very slight gradient. All right, and that's how we're looking. I love it. I am obsessed. I love this. All right, I want to brighten up my inner corner just a little bit extra, you know? Perfect. For the waterline, I'm going in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Honeydew. This is a light nude color and it will just brighten up my waterline, hopefully, and brighten up my eyes a bit. And I think that's it for the eyeshadow. I love this. I really love this. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to curl my lashes and just put mascara on and see how that looks. I don't really feel like doing eyeliner or anything like that. I just kind of want to let the eyeshadow speak for itself. While my mascara is drying, I actually want to go in with one of the new glossy lip stains from ColourPop. These are new and I love these. I tested them out once already. Fabulous, absolutely incredible. So I definitely want to use these today. Let's go with this one. This is in the shade Ice Pop. Okay, wow, that looks so much brighter than that. But it's fine. Okay, Okay, so I think I actually want to put a little bit of a brown cream gel liner just on the top lash line, just very slightly. Because I am thinking I will put some false lashes on. Just some natural looking ones. I think we're gonna go with the Demi Wispies. Okay, and there we have it. Wait, do I have a lipstick in my teeth? Okay, no, I'm good. All right, and there we have it. This is the completed look using the ColourPop Powerpuff Girls eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love this palette. I love the shades. I'm so happy. This color combination is stunning. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's really nice to have these really fun, bright colors, but it's also even nicer to make sure you can have more natural looking looks if you want to. This is kind of beyond natural looking, I suppose, but I still love it. Overall, I love this eyeshadow palette. It was so fun to watch the Powerpuff Girls again. I watched a few episodes because I knew this was releasing. Let me know what you guys think of the eyeshadow palette. I love it. It gets my approval. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!